Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. It is me, Sophia, and today's video we are going to do a monthly budget and we are going to do our monthly planning for the month of March. So let's get into it because I know it's going to be a long video, but I'll try to make it as short as I possibly can. So let's get into our Erin Condren planner and write out what we have to do for the month of March and then move on to our budget, because that takes most of the time. So first things first, we are going to do our notes section where we're going to be tracking everything, and then we're going to use this because they have the dates. We're going to put that into our monthly budget. So first things first, we have is our no spend. So I need this star sticker, and we're going to do no spend, and every month our hope is to get 10 no spends. So yeah, that's the first thing on our list. Then we are going to do our monthly savings, and that is 50, 50, 50, 50, and 50. So 100, 250. So that is every Fridays we auto pay $50. So monthly savings, that's for that. And then we have another monthly savings. This is just our auto pay, and then we have our monthly savings binder, so that's something totally different. And then we're going to do week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So that's week 1, 2, 3, 4, and some for the next month. So we have that. Then we're going to do our drop off, and then we have babysitting. So those are all the things that we're going to be tracking in here for our monthly spread. Now let's get into our monthly budget, and that we're going to bring our monthly budget book, and then we have the monthly setup right here. So we have our income is our full-time, and then full-time 1 and full-time 2, and then we have babysitting, and that is it. So then we would add the total amounts right here. I'm trying to make this as fast as possible. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes. So I expect 1,200 for both my full times. And then for babysitting, I'm gonna say 450. So altogether, our budget for the month is $2,250. $850 for our monthly budget. Then we're going to do our fixed expenses. So that's gonna go right here. Did I skip a line last month? I don't remember. So let's go back. Yes, I did skip a line. So it's a good thing that I did not put it down right away. So our fixed expenses is gonna go right here. I think that's how I did it for last month, right? Yep. So our fixed expenses is our rent, Google Photos, Peacock, then we go to Canva. Whoa. Well, I don't. Definitely spelled Canva wrong. Canva. Then we have car notes. On the 9th, then we have electric and gas and state farm. Then we have iCloud. Then we have nothing here. T-Mobile, then Prime, then HP Inc. and Pan. Ooh. The mistakes. Pandora. That is it for that. Do we have anything else? No, so I'm going to add the total. I don't want no more bills, guys. No more bills, please. Please, no more bills. And then we're going to do variable expenses over here. All right, so we have groceries, then we have gas, then we have pet care, then we have beauty, we have personal, and eating out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, house. Hold and miss. We also have my CD savings, and what did I do for the last one? the monthly and sinking funds, monthly sinking funds, and then any other ones. Then we have sinking. This is basically what I stuff. So I don't stuff the MyCT saving because it's automatic comes out, but the monthly I do save, and from my everyday. So we have $78, and then auto savings is $250, and then 55 and 55, that's 110. Yep, 110. That's my budgeted amounts, and then my actuals will go here, and then here I'll do 90. So I'm gonna do these first, and then we're gonna get into our bills amount. Let me just put the total. And then here I'm gonna do this. This is completely different from how I did it last month, I feel like. And then last but not least, we're gonna put it right here. So I don't know where this is supposed to go. Let's put it right here. That's cute. And then right here to tie everything in. Take this off. All right, so groceries, we always budget $160. Gas, we are going to do $100. Pet care, we're going to do $40. Beauty, we're going to do $50. Personal, we're going to do $40. Eating out, we're going to do $50. Household, we're going to do $40. And miscellaneous, we're going to do $30. So that is how much our budgeted amounts are. Let's do the math here. 250 plus 110 plus 78 plus 90 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 40 plus 50 plus 40 plus 100 plus 160 equals this is a lot. This is a lot. This is a lot. This is a lot. So this says 1,038. That's for the month. Okay, guys, that's not for the whole thing. Not for the whole thing. And then for rent, we have 1,060. Then we have, I'm gonna round up so it's just easier. Peacock is gonna be 6. Canva is going to be 14. Car note is 140. Electric is 50. Gas is 50. State Farm is 140. iCloud is 3. T-Mobile is 73. I don't know how but I ain't asking why. Prime is 15. HP Inc. is 6. I'm gonna do, and Pandora. I feel like deleting this Pandora because every morning I listen to Pandora with the kids that I drop off, and it's just the same music all the time. Like, it's kind of annoying. I'm like, I don't understand what's the problem here, but yeah. 360, 1,360 plus 4 plus 6 plus 14 plus 140 plus 50 plus 50 plus 140 plus 3 plus 73 plus 15 plus 6 plus 6 equals 867. That's the total plus this. So we are way over budget if we have to do all of this, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, we're way over budget with our bills if we do, but it's not really bills because this is savings, and then this is savings, and this is savings, and this is already taken out of my paycheck by the time I do this. So this is not the right amount. So that's down how many? That would be, if we have these exact numbers, would be $55 over. So yeah, this is not all 100%. We still have to do our actuals, and we still have to do the plus or minus over or under. These are all a little bit over or a little bit under. Like Prime, no, iCloud is 305, but I put 3 because it's, 302, but I put 3 because it's whatever. But yeah, we'll do our budget for March 1st on the next page, and that is it for our video this week, today, however you want to call it. So we did our setup for the monthly setup for March, then we did our budget for March, and that is it for our video today. Thank you guys so much for watching and taking the time out to do the budgeting and planning with me. I do really appreciate it, and I do appreciate everyone who comes back to watch my videos and looks, and while you're doing your budget is looking at mine. And I really thank you guys so much for coming back all the time on a weekly basis, on a multiple times during the week. So I do appreciate you guys all coming back, and thank you guys so much. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.